this is Margaret Linker here at Hess Park at Breakfast with Santa. Santa's about to arrive. Let's go catch up with him. Tell me what happens at Breakfast with Santa.
Oh, thank you for asking. Well, this is our annual Breakfast with Santa, and what happens is Santa arrives on a fire truck, which is really exciting. The kids love that, and then they get their picture taken on the fire truck with Santa, which is always a really fun thing. And then they come in, they get a really tasty breakfast. They also get a little craft bag full of little fun crafts, and then they have breakfast. Santa comes around and talks to them, and then after a while we have Santa or maybe Mrs. Claus will read The Night Before Christmas, and then after that we have some holiday carols. Of course, more photo ops with Santa.
Can you tell me who Breakfast with Santa benefits?
Breakfast with Santa? That's a great program that benefits all the young adults that have developmental disabilities in our community, and it's a great fundraiser for them.
And what does the REACH program do for Rancho Palos Verdes?
We do all kinds of fun things for them. We teach them how to cook, we teach them how to fun, we take them to the movies, we just do all kinds of things. We teach them about community service and all kinds of good stuff.
Santa, have most of the girls in RPV, girls and boys, been on the naughty or the nice list?
I have checked my list not once but twice, and almost every boy and girl has been very good this year, I'm happy to say. But they've got 2 more weeks to be nice, but so far they've all been very good, I'm happy to say. Ho, ho, ho!
I like to be naughty!
Edit that,
I like to be nice!
And am I on the naughty or nice list?
Let me check my list. What's your name?
Margaret Linker.
We'll put you in the half and half list so far, but more nice than naughty, certainly.
And Santa, what is your favorite cookie that the kids leave out for you?
As you can tell, Santa likes all cookies, but I must say chocolate chip is my #1 favorite.
And Santa, is it more fun to ride in a sleigh or a fire truck?
I have done a sleigh every year forever, so a fire truck is a nice change of pace. But Rudolph, if you're listening, the sleigh is the best way of all.
So this is baby's first Christmas. How was your experience at Breakfast with Santa?
It was great. Haley got to meet Santa for the first time, and she didn't cry, so we're happy about that. And there was a lot of things for her to see, and she enjoyed the music. It was really fun.
Did you enjoy the breakfast?
Yes, it was a great breakfast, and everybody's been great and super nice, and it was a good way to kick off the holidays.
And do you think Haley's on the nice list or the naughty list?
Definitely the nice list, although she might be getting in her naughty mood right now.
That was a great day with Santa. Now I'm gonna go check out all this yummy food.